Let's see how to configure an HR service for a retirement plan inquiry. In the navigation bar, select All. Enter HR Services in the search bar. And access the HR Service configuration. Then, in the HR Services section, select New to create a new record. Start filling the HR service form by entering an appropriate name and value for the HR service. Add a badge to indicate that the HR service is being managed by a team on portal. Select a fulfillment type option for the HR service. For instance, choosing manual implies that fulfillment will be carried out manually by the designated agent. Select topic detail and topic category fields to further classify the center of excellence. Use the Opened For or Approver view, and the Subject Person or Task Assignee view fields determine the view of the case. For example, individuals with the Opened For role may see different fields on the HR case form than those with the Subject Person role. Enable the Showcase to Subject Person option to either display or conceal the case to the subject person of the case. Select a template to automatically fill in the fields on the HR case form when a service request is submitted. For instance, if the template has the priority level set to high, all cases created under this service will automatically be assigned a high priority level. Utilize the Record Producer field to present the 401k retirement plan inquiry as a catalog item on the portal, allowing users to submit their requests. Utilize the HR Criteria field to limit HR service access to particular users. After completing the necessary fields, select Submit.